Hello, hello, and namaste. Welcome back to Let's Hangout. My name is Sharmeen Thomas, and I'm with Indoz TV. Today's session is a very exciting one indeed because I don't know what it's about. Well, so I'll give you a little hint. I get to be a live model, and someone is going to style me. So today we're talking all about fashion, about styling, and probably a few more things. Are you ready to join me? Let's hang out. Now, I'm a big fan of this collection because they've got everything. They've got everything from day wear to party wear to office wear. They've got Indian, they've got Western, and they've got the best of all, a blend of Indian and Western, or what we like to call fusion or Indo-Western. So without wasting more time, let me introduce to you Ashmeet Rajpal. Welcome to the show, Ash. Welcome to Let's Hang Out.
Thank you for having me, Sharmeen, to your show.
Thank you, thank you.
You're doing an amazing work, let me just tell you that.
Thank you, thank you. I think, I enjoy the whole experience of it. Anyway, so Ash, how long have you been doing this?
The brand started in 2021, actually, Sharmeen, in the midst of COVID. And as you know, that Brisbane was a little more chilled out with their restrictions to social gatherings and house parties, but 10, 20, 30, numbers kept changing every week.
That's right.
And that's where I saw the urge for people, they don't have clothes to buy because they can't go to India, they can't courier stuff from there. And I was like, why not get some of the pieces here? So I started, the very first designer of my boutique is my brother's venture.
Right.
So he's got a homegrown brand back in Bombay. And so he's a manufacturer, he's got his own thing.
And then you decided to bring that here to Brisbane as a start to sort of test the market.
That's true.
Right.
So, yeah, I tested the market, and then Sharmeen, you'll be surprised that I had just started with 20 pieces to begin with, and they were all gone through friends and family and, word of mouth. And I think people who are watching the show and you would vouch for that. People now just come because they know the brand or they know
Absolutely.
me because they know the fabric and they know that we don't compromise here on fabrics. We don't compromise on here with designers working with, cheap material.
Yes, and the quality is very important.
Yeah.
And over time, I can see, Ash, that you have sort of curated this into a multi-designer store, which is absolutely, commendable. But I want to talk a little bit about trends and Indian fashion. So what are some of the trends you're sort of seeing now in the Indian fashion industry?
Oh, the trends of corsets, surprisingly,
Right.
is on the rise. Whether it's office wear or whether it's just wearing corsets for your brunches scenes, that's really, really in right now.
So I want to stop you there. And I have to say this because corsets are great, but there's this whole notion or perception that, sometimes they're like a pajama set. So, pardon me for saying it, but I absolutely have to ask you this.
So, I will show you.
What would you say to people who say that?
They're trending and you want to just jump on the fashion trends.
Are you going to put me in a corset today?
Oh, yes, I have.
Oh my gosh. I don't know what you're planning for me, but you better make me look good, Ash.
Trust me, you would be. Yeah. So yeah, corsets are semi-formal, formal, casual for brunches, work attire. So I have all. So I can probably take you around, show you some of my samples and my styles, and you can just have a look at it and let's style you up.
When you're styling someone, what do you look at and how do you suggest a particular sort of style of clothes for them?
Well, depending on the frame of the person, Right. A lot of times plus body size, people come to me and they are usually looking for an A-line, a gown fit, not something too much work on the upper body, So I have a lot of customers who are short-heighted. So then I'm curating stuff considering all those aspects in mind because if you'll see my collection, the gowns are really like A-line, long floor length. Those will not, as much as they love my styles, they can't wear them.
Right.
So then I curate also looking at what's my market style, what's my clientele, and then I curate it according to that.
I think one's self-confidence is so important in this because you've got to feel good in what you wear.
100%. You need to be comfortable, you need to feel good, and that's the whole idea, right? You want to dress and you want to look pretty.
Absolutely. And wearing clothes is one thing, but styling it is another. So I'm hoping today we talk about, how do you incorporate jewelry, shoes, bags, all of that, and, style someone rather than just have someone wear something.
Sure, let's do that, Sharmeen. In fact,
Are you ready?
Yes,
Are
I
you
am.
putting me in a quad set?
Oh, I'm putting you in a lot of styles I have which
Okay,
are
then.
trending.
I'm excited. All
Yeah,
right, let's go. है ना वो थोड़ा फ्लो में आएगा. This is the exciting bit.
Yes, Sharmeen. Okay, now you can dive in. I have a lot of hot sets. I've got a lot of jumpsuits. I've got some jackets. There are these boho jackets. They've just come in. So yeah, just have a browse and see, and then we'll style you up.
Gosh, you're not making this easier for me, Ash. So these are the.
So that comes with the
Oh,
top.
that's the top,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Well,
Now
that's.
this piece, Sharmeen, is a very, very versatile piece. We will show you, we will show you guys how we can style just this simple plain corset piece. I have a baby pink color as well in that. So if you see that color, it's got a little
That's a beautiful
block of
color.
yellow.
That's right, and I think that really makes it sort of stand out.
Yes.
Yeah.
But again, as I said, this simple piece, I will show you 4 different styles to style this thing up. So that's the magic, right?
You're kidding me, right?
Yes.
Let's see what else. So yeah, and this is sort of that mix between Indo-Western. Like I'd plot it as maybe being a little more Western, but I think maybe because of the fabric, it's got that slight sort of ethnic touch to it.
It does.
Yeah.
Yes. That's
So-
the whole idea, to get Indian prints like batik prints and bright colors into corporate,
Yes.
colors of Western, where we can wear it in our Western culture.
Yes.
So that's the idea, to blend the two and have a nice fusion of Indian and Western, and hence Indo-Western.
Hence Indo-Western, absolutely. What is this? Is this a dress or?
That's actually one of our new collection. That's a jumpsuit.
This is a jumpsuit.
It is a jumpsuit.
It almost looks like a kurta, Ash.
Oh well, that's what it is nowadays.
Right.
The trends are, we are just catching up with the trends.
Is that a term? Like, is it called a kurta jumpsuit?
No, it's not. It's
Okay,
actually
it's
a
not.
jumpsuit. It's a casual
Okay.
jumpsuit.
But that's a nice term. See, you can just come up with things on the spot.
Why not? Why not? So yeah, it's got a beautiful embroidered thing, and it's got a front zip. Now with this kind of piece, I have a couple of colors.
Right.
But also you can just style it with a beautiful neck piece.
Yes.
And that kind of, enhances the whole outfit.
Ash, you are making me very excited. So I'm going to dive right in. Now, can I pick something or are you going to pick something for me?
Please feel free to choose something.
Whoop,
And
whoop.
we'll style you up.
Can't wait. Okay. Ooh, that's nice for a party wear. Maybe we can do this one
Oh,
too a bit later. That's beautiful.
I know
Oh,
you have an eye for boho stuff.
I do.
So-
And you know what? I also have an eye for black stuff. I wear a lot of black in my work.
Uh-huh.
And I'm always looking for comfy and fun things to wear. So that's my pick.
All right, let's dive in and style you up.
Let's go.
Yes, that looks really nice on you.
Ta-da.
Come on, let's style you up.
Yes.
So,
What are we? So this is a workwear outfit, Ash.
yeah, but you can play around with this
Yeah.
outfit, and you can also wear it for your brunches, you're meeting your friends.
Absolutely.
So it's cotton linen material, and it's very comfy, as you can watch for.
As I can plainly see.
Yeah.
And these are pants, but it almost looks like a skirt. Sort of, it's in between a palazzo and skirt, and
Yeah, that's the trend.
that's the trend.
That's what's going on.
Absolutely.
Well,
absolutely.
with something this casual, we will not go for something which is very chunky. We'll go for something which is light on. Maybe we can try on this neck piece and see.
Is this part of the outfit? Because
It actually is.
Oh, there you go.
It actually is, because if you look at the color and the embroidery over here.
Yes.
So I sell this as part of this outfit.
Right.
So you want to just wear that, and just that one little touch changes the whole look of the outfit.
That's right.
Yep. With that, we can probably have not too big earrings, but something really small.
Especially if we're talking about workwear.
Exactly. Yeah. So, see something like these. So, if you see these,
Ah, that's classic.
that's
You know,
classic.
you can't go wrong with
with
this.
this. 100%.
We said that together.
Yeah, we did.
I'm gonna put that on. I can't see a mirror right now, but I can't wait to see how this whole outfit.
Now, just with the statement piece, our necklace and our earrings, the whole look enhances, right?
That's right, yeah. And sometimes you don't need too much either.
Less is more.
But Ash, we're getting into winters and I'm a bit cold.
Uh-huh.
So I would love some kind of a jacket with this.
Oh.
Do you have something that can go? Because we're all black. So
Yes.
ideally, if you had something that was a bit sort of printed and brought some contrast to this.
We do have something in store for you. We've just come up with our boho, chic boho jackets.
Oh,
so
I
if you
just
look at
love that.
You can wear it with this outfit, you can wear it with a black dress, you can have a belt around. In this, I have something, if you're not a bling person, so you've got something more
I am a
sober.
bling person.
That's why I removed this one for you. But something like this as well. So similar
Right.
styles. And if I know you'll also like our style, something as colorful as this.
So I think that if I had to pick something for work, I would probably go for this because this does not have any bling on it. But if I had to convert this to a nighttime outfit, I would go for that.
Definitely you go for that.
And if I was going for a lunch or a brunch or a coffee, I would go for this.
That's
So
and then
I quite honestly, I can't decide which one I like the best, and maybe our viewers can leave some comments below and tell us what their views are and which one they think is the best option for this black outfit.
well, I'm also a big girl.
More like my vibe.
There's a mirror right behind you.
So Ash has got me in a quad set, and I have to say I might be starting to be a bit of a quad set convert.
I'm glad.
It's a beautiful fabric, Ash.
Yeah, it's viscose blend. And if you see, this style particularly has color blocks happening. So with yellow, there's a pink. I have a different color here, which is a powder blue with the little yellow touch to it. Then I have a pink with a little yellow touch to it.
I think
So
the contrast makes a big difference.
Yes, especially when you see the details of the sleeves, you know,
Yes.
so it's really popping up. Now this particular cord set, it looks really simple and comfy, but you can actually style them in 4 particular ways, which I will show you guys.
4 ways to style
Yeah.
this quad set.
Yes.
So when would I wear this to work, or would I wear this for a coffee, or
You can
am I
totally
wearing
wear
it for
this-
drinks?
Yeah, you can totally wear this at work. Depending if you want to wear it as a jacket, like what you're showing
Yes.
right now. It's like a jacket. You can tie up the buttons completely and go a little subtle with your jewelry because it's work attire.
Right.
But you can just bling up things. I'll show you how you can style this outfit, and then you can meet your friends after work, and then you can style up like that.
Let's get started.
Let's do this. So now I'll show you how we can style this particular cord set.
Okay.
Now, for instance, if we are going for a work attire, as I said, we'll go for some minimal jewelry piece.
Okay.
You can also go for something like this.
Something a little bolder.
A little bolder, like
Yeah.
a style statement. You want to wear this and show it to the audience?
Let's go. I think it's a nice boss lady look.
Absolutely. Another option, Sharmeen, I have for you is these chand balis, which you can totally wear it for an evening, catching up with friends or something like a little more fun.
That is so me.
And for the last look, I wanted to give you the Desi girl vibe.
I am a Desi girl.
Yeah, and then you're looking fabulous in this rose gold color, and it's our bestseller bandhani outfit with dhoti pants.
I love it, and it's a beautiful fit. I must say, it's a beautiful fit. It's a beautiful feel of the fabric as well.
So this
And
is
it's
a
an
modal,
interesting style.
yeah, it's a modal silk, and it's very breezy. It's very light. It's not too heavy. You don't feel like you're wearing something really heavy, and you can pretty much run around on these.
But you still look dressy.
You'd still look
Especially,
dressy.
I think, if we accessorize
Yeah.
with the right things.
Of course, why wait? Come on.
Let's do it.
So, Sharmeen, for this one, we have quite a few options. But when we are looking at styling and we're looking at a client, we'll be looking at, you have a very petite, very small face. So, jhumkas like these,
Oh, they're so pretty.
as pretty as they are, they might not go well with your face structure.
Right.
And it might not even do justice to the outfit as well. So, that's another option. Again, very pretty, will go really well with the outfit, but not the right option for you. I personally feel these jhumkis would look really, really well for you. So let's just wear them and see how they look.
So I've had the most fun morning with Ash today, getting styled in different clothes. I'm definitely a lucky girl. But the one thing I want to leave you with is that be confident in what you wear. Don't worry about what others have to say to you or say to you. Be comfortable, be confident, be experimental, and most importantly, be you. Thanks for joining me on Let's Hang Out, and I will see you in another exciting episode very soon. Bye.